My name is Edie Jones. I teach 6th grade reading at Bow Memorial School.
How many times does your opponent have to be thrown down before he loses? If you click on the wrong answer, it comes up like this. And when you click on the right answer, it comes up like this.
Awesome.
And we have 3 multiple choice questions. Each one has 1 right answer and 2 wrong answers.
Can you explain how you made your answers?
The answers?
How'd you do that?
What I did was I went to, let's see, I'll go back to it. What you can do is insert. If you go to active elements, you put hover button. And so when you click on hover button, it says text. So I could put in like the number 1 or 2 or something. And then all we did was okay. And see this? All you have to do is link it to all the correct answers are linked to the same page. And all the wrong answers are correct linked to the other page. So we made 2 pages, which is wrong and right, and then we linked them all to the pages.
Awesome. Good job.
The clip you just saw is how I got the idea for doing the website that I'm working on now with my 6th grade classroom. This was taken during a special week we call Greek Week, and the children created we had 5 groups of children creating their own websites, and it became an online newspaper. The group that you just saw did something very creative and very different that I had not ever thought of doing, and I really liked their idea of putting a lot of information or a relative amount of information on their website and then creating a quiz to go along with it. It was very simple, it was very uncomplicated, and I thought it would be a neat thing to do with all of my students. I decided to do this project with 3 of my 4 reading classes to culminate our study of Greek mythology. We'd done a lot of work on Greek mythology, but we'd never ended it with something quite like this. So we set up some empty websites with numbers that the children learned how to log on to. And we started out by showing them the basics of how you use front page. They first learned how to get to their website. Then they had to learn how to put in a background and how to type in text, how to save it, how to use Clip Media and get into the Clip Media files that we have here in the Bow School District, as well as they had to learn how to get onto the internet and use the internet. What I want you to do is click on More Webs, and then you're going to come to another window where you can say List Webs. I want you to list webs. It'll list all the websites in the Bow School District. You're looking for the page that says Default, and your first page is going to be called Default. So double click on wherever it says Default. That's your home page. Click on that, double click on that, and you should get a plain white screen. To help the students, if I was not able to be with them all the time they were working on their website, I created a help page for them. And it's located right on the Student Mythology website page, which is our main page. And at this point, that's all that's on it. And if they want to go to find out how to put in a background or how to make a link, they can click on those pages and they can print the material out and use that as a resource if I'm not available for them. A bunch of pages I created yesterday to help you do things. It gives you instructions like how to put in a background, how to insert clip media such as clip art, animated characters, they're called animated GIFs, or even sounds. Okay? So right now you can use this as a resource if I can't get you to help you.
Oh wait, hold on. Want that one? Control it. Want that? Oh, it doesn't look very good. You have to do the blue color. Wrong one. That's gray.
All right, boys, what are you doing? Show me what you're doing.
The Olympics, and we're changing the color.
Okay. So tell me how you do it.
You go to the color wheel right there, and you pick color.
Okay. How are you going to decide what color you like?
We think the dark colors look good, or you can read them on the background.
Okay, good. So you're picking it based on whether or not it can be read easily.
Yeah.
Good. Good thinking. Background file hadn't automatically come up. Where would you go to look for it?
I know, I just want to write like 2 words.
Try the down arrow where backgrounds is. There you go. What's the name of the directory you're looking for? Clip Media. Good. Yeah, good. All right, very nice.
I tried to teach them how to work off the internet, how to make a link to the internet. It's very simple. As a matter of fact, the clip that you are going to see, the student is showing you how you make a link off the internet. And the last thing that we will be doing, the last part of the project, will be to have the children make their quizzes. And that we'll be doing that in about a week.
We need to restore this. Okay, better.
Okay, that.
Sam, I know. Okay. We need to move it so we don't have to see the other part. We need to, okay.
You click on it.
See,
There we go, then.
Home page.
now we just need to call it something
Center it.
else.
So, yeah, okay.
Okay, guys, would you explain how you did that, please?
We went to the website, clicked on the little E next to the address, and put it on
Where'd it
here.
go?
Where'd you delete it, Sam?
I didn't touch it.
Oh no. Oh, it's okay. Center.
You have to.
Guys, I changed the color so you can see it.
Alright, we're going to
Change it to yellow or something just for now.
on the wheel.
Make it
Yellow,
red.
for now, Just make it so we can see
But
it.
everything's yellow.
It has to be blue. See, you click on this right here, this thing next to this, hold it, and you bring it over here, and you just place it there, and here's your little,
And then you moved it to where you wanted it.
yeah.
All right, very good.
Hold on, guys.
Now tell me what you've linked to.
What?
Tell me what you linked. Why did you do that?
We linked it to this because this is our old Olympic site that me and Tucker and Tim made.
All right, and what is the topic of the website you're doing now?
Olympics. Oh no,
Okay.
he moved, didn't he? Okay, that's one back.
All right, down. Did you save it?
We're going to go back to our save it.
All right, nice job.
Save it.
We're searching for information on
Hold on, what's on?
Hermes, but we're having some difficulty.
Why?
Don't really know yet.
Have you not found any good sites?
Well, we've only been to one, so
Goes there, okay.
Okay, well,
Just some facts
where'd you?
right here.
Okay, so what are you going to do with it?
We're gonna put it on our website.
Okay, are you going to type it on?
Yes.
Okay, very good.
We're making a little graph of
You made it. So you made a table,
yep.
and what are you inserting?
I didn't even know.
And what they do, like the name, the meaning of the name, domain, and the symbols. Like what they
Awesome.
hold.
Very nice. Now make sure you save. Okay.
Oh, we're gonna write down all the names of the muses and what they did.
Okay.
Like
Good.
what they're the muse of.
Okay, and you did.
We're linking websites to our website.
Okay, and that's working okay?
Yep.
All right, save your work.
The advantage of it is that it's just something totally new and different. It's not something we've ever done before. The children are more invested in working on the Grade 6 website than they ever have been. They're interested in looking into other websites that are out there that are really, really good and have a lot of information that they have previously ignored. And they're invested in learning something and then making a quiz to go along with it. We used to just end it by ending Greek Week. And now I thought this idea was so neat that the boys had that I wanted to just try it and see if it would work. At the same time they are creating their websites, they are also working in book clubs. And we're going to be preparing for book clubs in June. And it's worked out pretty well because I work with half the class at one time on the websites, and the rest of the class is reading and preparing for their book club presentation. And then the next day we switch, and the children who are working in their book clubs work on the websites and vice versa. So it's, in terms of classroom management, it's gone much, much better than I thought it would.